Hi. Okay, talking about crow's feet today. So a lot of women struggle with crow's feet because we laugh all the time. So we have these crow's feet. So two things that we're gonna do today to help with that, to help improve that, is one of the things we're gonna do is loosen up those lines. So I'm gonna use the rounded side of my stone and make sure to oil up. I've used rose oil. You can use another type of oil if you prefer. So I'm going to first grab my gua sha and I'm gonna go against the lines. So I'm gonna anchor and I'm gonna start with my stone right here on the rounded edge, starting right here. And I'm just gonna press into those lines up into the hairline 3 to 5 times, just giving it a little bit of a wiggle, kind of massage those lines out. And then you can drain. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, also if you hear some cracking in there, that's okay. That's just stagnant fluid. So we want that to be moving around. The next thing we're gonna do is go up under the lines, or up under the eye, and go across the lines. So still using my rounded edge, I'm going to go anchor and go through the lines into my hairline. Remember not to push too hard, not to scrape too hard, because it is a sensitive area. Just do 3 to 5 times. And then you can drain. I'm gonna drain a couple of times. And that's it. Make sure to drink water.